Turkey is reportedly planning to establish 2 military bases in Syria and deploy its F-16 fighter jets as part of an emerging defense agreement between Ankara and Damascus. The move could mark a significant shift in regional military dynamics, especially given Turkey's historical role in the Syrian conflict and its strategic importance in countering threats along its southern border. According to Arab sources, ongoing discussions between Turkey and Syria may soon result in a formalized joint defense pact. Under the proposed agreement, Turkey's forces would be responsible for training elements of the Syrian military, including its pilots, a move that could significantly boost Syria's air combat capabilities. The training initiative is expected to run in parallel with Turkey's deployment of 50 F-16 fighter jets that would serve as a temporary air force until Syria rebuilds its own fleet. The potential establishment of a Turkish military base inside Syrian territory would indicate a long-term security commitment by Ankara, potentially changing the balance of power in the region. In addition to air assets, Turkey is reportedly considering deploying integrated radars and electronic warfare systems. These assets could be used to counter airstrikes and increase situational awareness along the Syrian border.